Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is construction, which is one of the most important chapter of your syllabus. Okay, this is one of the most important chapter of your syllabus, constructions. Now in today's class we are going to take and discuss a very important topic related to construction, which is division of a line segment. So we are going to discuss about the topic division of a line segment. Division of a line segment. Okay. In that topic, we have a line segment, and according to questions, we divide that line segment internally in the given ratio. The ratio is given in the question. So let us take, suppose that your question is we wish draw a line segment AB. So suppose we wish draw a line segment AB of a given length and divide it internally in the ratio m:n. Okay. So dear student, this is now we are going to take an example. This is the very important topic of your syllabus. So please, dear student, concentrate on this topic. Let's see here. This is the topic related to the division of a line segment internally in the given ratio m:n. So let's take what is the steps of constructions to divide the given line segment. Let's see, dear students, carefully. So suppose that we draw a line segment AB of any given length, and we divide them internally in the ratio m:n. So for that type of construction, so first of all we draw a line segment AB. This is the first step of construction. So dear students, in first draw a line segment AB. Okay. Dear student, this is the first step of construction. In first step, we draw a line segment AB. Now after that, through A we draw any ray AX. We draw in next step. We draw any ray AX. Okay. So in second step, step 2. In step 2, what is this step? Draw the any ray AX. Draw the any ray AX, making an acute angle BAX. Okay. This is the second step of construction. Dear student, in first step First of all, in first step, we draw a line segment AB. We draw a line segment AB. Okay. Now, after that, through A, draw a ray AX. Draw a ray AX, making an acute angle BAX. Making an acute angle BAX. Okay, dear friend, making an acute angle BAX. Now clear? Look. Now, in third step, look. In step third, what I do? Look. So, dear students, in step third, what I do? In step third, on AX, along AX, marks points. Suppose that we draw the given line segment internally into the ratio m is to n. So, dear students, along x we marks points. How many points? The points is m plus n. Suppose that 8. Suppose that we divide this ratio into 5:2 ratio, 5:3 ratio. So, the sum of their ratio, that is 8. So, we in third step of construction, along AX we marks how many points? 8 points. So, along AX we draw marks of points, marks of suppose that 8 points, 8 points as A1, A2, A3, A4 and dot so on A8, such that look, such that A1, A2, A3, A4, 5, A7, A8. Okay, so along AX marks of 8 points as A1, A2, A3 and also A8, such that AA1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3 is equal to A3, A4 is equal to A4, A5 is equal to A5, A6 is equal to A6, A7 is equal to A7, A8, any which are in equal interval, okay. Now, in next step, step 4, suppose that, okay, join BA8. In next step, join BA8, like that, join BA8. Okay, this is the next step of constructions. Now look, dear friends, in next step, step 5, look, In step 5, after joining BA8, so suppose that line divide 5:3 ratio. So from A3, dear students, from A3 we draw a line parallel to what? BA8. BA8. Okay. BA8. Thus, this is the, so in this way the given line segment divide in the ratio m:n. So after that, draw through A3, we draw a line segment मान लो P, segment A3P, which is parallel to A8, which is parallel to part A8, which is parallel to BA8. Thus, dear students, thus point P divide AB internally, divide AB internally in the ratio M ratio. Thus the point P, thus the point P divide AB internally in the ratio M:n. Okay, so dear friend, this is the process, whole process to construct, to division of a line segment, division of a line segment in the given ratio, division of a line segment in the given ratio. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please, dear student, do more and more practices of that questions based on that topic, and construct each and every question of your copy. Now look once more time. So dear student, for divide any line segment into the given ratio, first of all, what I do, dear students, first of all we draw a line segment AB of the given length which is given in our question. After that, from point 8 we draw a line, we draw array AX, we draw from A, we draw AX along, we draw any ray AX, making an acute angle triangle BAX. This is in making an acute angle BAX, making an acute angle BAX. After that, along AX we marks of the points A1, A3, A4 and dot so on AN, and their sum of is what? The sum of their ratio M plus N. Okay, after that join last cutoff marks to B, and from A3, if suppose that from M we draw the parallel line to BA8. This is the required. So the point P divide the given line segment internally in the given ratio. This is the whole process. Now, dear student, we take and solve some important questions based on these topics. Let's see. Now we take and solve an important question based on construction, and the question is draw a line segment AB. Draw a line segment AB. Draw a line segment of length 10. Sorry. Draw a line segment of length 10 centimeter, of length 10 centimeter internally in the ratio internally in the ratio 3:2. 3:2. Okay, this is a very important question. Draw a line segment of length 10 centimeter internally in the ratio 3:2. So now let's see what is the process. Let's see its solution. So what is the process to construct that question? This is one of the most important. Okay, now look what I do for that. Here, dear students, draw a line segment of length 10 centimeter. Okay, now first of all, in first step of construction, draw a line segment. In step first, draw a line segment AB is equal to 10 centimeter. Draw a line segment AB is equal to what? 10 centimeter, like that. Look. Okay. First of all, in first step of construction, draw a line segment AB is equal to 10 centimeter. In second step, what I do? Look. In second step, what is the second step of construction? In second step, draw any ray making an acute angle BAX. Draw any ray. Look, draw any ray AX making an acute angle BAX. Okay, this is the second step of construction. Look once more time. So dear friends, when we construct a line segment of the length having some length internally in the given ratio, to for that, dear students, first we draw a line segment of a given length. This is the 10 centimeter, okay, which is given in our question. This is the first step of construction. Okay, your first step of construction is what? Do you draw a line segment of a given length? Okay, after that, look, draw a ray AX. Draw a ray AX making an acute angle BAX. Making an acute angle BAX. Making an acute angle BAX. Okay. Now, making an acute angle BAX. Now, what I do? Look, in third step. In step third, look. Here we draw the given line segment of length 10 centimeter internally in the ratio 3:2. Now in third step, dear students, we along AX, okay, marks 5 points along AX. Marks 5.5 means what? This suppose that this is m raised to n, so we adding them m plus n. So here 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, so along AX marks 5 points. 5 point means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 in this way. That is A1, A2, A3 and dot so on A5 such that dear students, look, such that A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3 is equal to A3, A4 is equal to A4, A5 means each of equal interval means marks 5 means A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Look, ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. तो what I do to look once more time. So first of all, you draw a line segment of the given length which is given in our question. Okay. Draw line segment AB of the length 10 centimeter. Now along we draw any way AX making an acute angle BAX. This is the second step. Now in third step we mark along AX marks 5 points. 5 points where 5 points with the help of the given ratio. This is 3:2. So we adding them 3 plus 2 that is 5. So along AX marks 5 points as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 such that each interval as A1 is equal to each other means A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3 is equal to A3, A4 is equal to A4, A5 all are equal to each other. That is A1 is equal to A1, A2 is A2, A3 is equal to A3, A4 is equal to A4, A5. Now in next step what I do, look. In next step of construction, step 4, we join A, B, A5 simply by the help of the scale. You join B, A5. Now join B, A5. Now join B, A5. Now look, dear students, through A3. So in next step, through A3 draw a line parallel to AB. Draw a line parallel to AB. So for drawing the parallel line, what I do for that? So what is the process to draw a parallel line with the respect of another parallel line? So in next step 5, step 5, draw. In step 5, draw through A3. Look, through A3. Through A3, draw parallel line. Through A3, draw parallel line to A5B. To A5B. Parallel line to A5B. Okay, so in this way you draw through A3, draw a parallel line to A5B. Means A3, suppose that A3, so we take as point P. Okay, thus, dear students, point P is so obtained in the required point, which divides AB internally in the ratio 3:2. In next step, we can write step 5. Thus, here, thus P be the required point. P be the required point which divides. So through AB, draw a parallel line to A5B. Thus, P be the required point which divides the line segment AB internally, which divide the line segment AB internally in the ratio 3:2. In the ratio 3:2. Okay, so this is the method to draw a line segment of a length and internally in the ratio. This is the method to draw to construct the divide the line segment internally in the given ratio. So this is the whole process. So dear student, please first of all you revise that questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Let's see once more time. Look, so for drawing the given line segment by constructing the given line segment internally in the given ratio, so first of all, dear student, you draw a line segment of a given length. Okay, first of all you draw the line segment of a given length which is given in your question. After that, dear students, you through A draw any ray AX. Draw any ray AX making an acute angle BAX. Making an acute angle BAX. Okay. Now, making an acute angle BX. Now, along AX marks 5 points. 5 points take by where? By which place? There 5 points means that sum of the ratios. That is, if ratio 4:5, then we take how many points? 4 plus 5, that is 9. Okay. So in this case, let's draw any ray AX making now along AX marks 5 points. 5 points, 3 plus that is 5, that is A1, A2, A3 and out so on, A5, and such that the distance, the interval of each and every point is constant. Okay, now what I do? Now after that, by last point A5, join A5B, join B A5. This is next step. After that, through A3 we construct a parallel line A3P to A5B. A3P to A5B. Okay, and in such a way P is on AB, which divides the given line segment AB internally in the ratio 3:2. The ratio 3:2. Okay, so this is. So dear student, this is the method to constructing the triangle internally when the ratio are given. Okay. Thus, dear students, in next class we take and solve some other important questions based on constructions. Okay, dear students. Thanks to all.